Hey guys, so as you may have noticed, I've put up a new picture of Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh on my wall. But anyways, for the model of the day, we are going to be making this really cool dragon with tassels coming out of the side that are blowing in the wind, and it looks really cool. I also have eye flaps on either side, and this really nice mouth. And stick with me because I'm going to show you how to fold it right now. Alright. So I'm feeling like using blue paper today, so we are going to do just that. So I'm going to pull out a nice piece of green paper. By the way, it's around 5 inches long. So let's get folding. So we're going to start with an ordinary petal base, but it's going to turn different soon. So diagonally fold in half. And then diagonally fold in half the other direction. Now take this corner and fold it to this corner up here. And do the same on the other side. Now unfold, and we are going to reverse the two flaps. So this is one. I didn't pre-crease it that well. So there we go. And then the other one. This should be easier. There we go. That was better. Now, turn over so the flap side is up. And now, take this edge and fold it to this crease. And do the same on this side. And turn over and do the exact same thing. Now we are going to take these flaps and reverse fold them in. So open it up and reverse fold it in. Just like a boat. And you want to sink the walls of the boat onto the middle crease. Like that. Now, okay, so fold this flap in, I forgot to do that, and do the same on this side. Alright, and fold these flaps down, like that. Now, so take this edge and fold it to this crease. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. And take the two folds together and make a fish base. And fold it down to either side. Okay, now we're gonna open the entire thing up. And now you will see a bird base with a bird base inside it. So now we're gonna keep it colored side up and fold a water bomb base this time. So valley fold in half, not diagonally. Then fold this crease onto this crease, and this crease onto this crease. And now reverse fold the crease that we just made in, and same with this crease. I know it's all white now, but don't worry, you'll start to see color soon. So, we'll see this crease right here. We're gonna fold up on that crease. So, we're making a petal fold on the tiny bird base. So, fold up and squash on either side. Should look like that. And then squash this down and squash this too. A minute, let me just make that a little better. Alright. There we go. We're not going to bother squashing this yet because it's kind of going to ruin the model. So, do the same on the other side. Fold on this crease. And it's like the pedal boat where you sink the walls of the boat onto the middle crease, but it's a little harder to see as there's a layer in front of it. So, squash that down. And then open it up and squash the bigger pedal base. Oops, I didn't make that one very good. Let's just redo that. Alright. And squash down. Like that. Okay, so that was pretty hard. So let's reverse fold these in now. And, oh yeah, make sure that the valley fold goes in between the pedal fold. The pedal base, sorry. And reverse fold this in, again, making sure it goes in the center, like that. And then, okay, so now we're gonna color change this flap, make it blue. Well, actually, let's go this flap first. So, open it up a little bit and push this point in. And make this a crease. And make sure it goes right here and not over the hump right like that. And flatten. Okay. And now, do this side. Alright, there we go. That took way too long. Okay, so, make sure to fold these up. And now, this is a little hard to find the crease mark, but take this edge and fold it up until you feel something right here, which should be this crease right now. So, fold it up to here. Oh, actually, an easier way is make sure this edge lines up with this edge. See? That's much easier. Now take this edge and fold it to this crease. And do the same on this side. Okay, and do the same on the other side. Alright, so now we're gonna unfold this flap and fold this down just until this point. And now fold these two creases together and then collapse it upwards, just like a fish base. And do the same on this side. And turn over and do the same thing. Okay, so now, if we fold all of these flaps down, including the ones in the back, we should have 6 flaps right here for the really cool tassels on the dragon, and these flaps for the mouth. Okay. So, take this edge and fold it to this crease. And do the same here, take this edge and fold it to this crease. Now, open here and take out this little bit of track paper and squash it like that. And same on this side. The squashed bits of paper are going to become the eyes. There we go. So as you can see, these will become the eyes. Now, on this side, we're not going to squash them. We're going to just mount and fold them in. So, actually, we should do a valley fold first. So take this edge, fold to this crease, just like at the other side, this edge, and fold it to this crease, and mount and fold them backwards, just like that. Okay, so now we have our base. You can see the eyes, you can see the mouth, and you can see the really cool spikes on the dragon's head. Okay, so now let's work a little bit more on the eyes. So open this and squash it like that, and do the same on the other side. Alright, there we go. So now we can shape the horns, which is the fun part. So let's take the topmost ones and fold them out a little bit, and take the bottommost ones, which are these ones, and fold them out even farther than the other ones. You can fiddle around with it as much as you like, so I think that's good. Now take the back ones and pinch them so we're halving them, and then curl them sort of like that, and then do the same on this one. There we go, that looks good. And then we'll take these top ones and then we'll curl them. We'll curl them the same way. We'll curl them so they go out, so they go sort of like a backwards S. And then, oh yeah, this one is a forwards S because it's mirroring the other one. And then for the middle ones, these ones are a little harder because they're thicker. We're gonna pinch them and then just curl them in. We're not gonna go in and out because they're too thick to do that. So curl them in like that, and then open the mouth, reverse fold it down, and we can reverse fold it up again so we can see it a little better. Alright, so that's the dragon head. I hope you had fun folding it. I hope you were able to fold it because it was quite hard. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.